Today we're working on the Jeep 99 Jeep XJ. When your battery terminals start to corrode and give up, people go and buy these and then they piece them together. And there's a plate that goes over here and you clamp them down with these bolts. Think of that as a temporary solution when you're on the side of the road and you just had to get something from a junkyard in order to get your car moving. So there's a better way to do it, and it's not that hard. So you get these copper connectors. These are T46s, so they're a little bit big, but it's not that big a deal. I'm gonna put one on each of these instead of, I mean, I could stick them together theoretically. Theoretically, there would be enough for me to cram them in here and do it, but I don't need to because we can do it separate. So you can get these on here, and then you have to get them to lock down. In my tool chest, I have this brake line flare kit, and yeah, it works for brake lines, but it's also going to work for this. So you can do it. I gotta watch out for this, even though there's not much juice in it left. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this, which, I mean, the alternative is to take this wire loose from wherever it lives, and then I slide this down and position it over my connector. And then I'm going to crimp it. So now we have a connection that's not going to come off. I'll do it one more time. So they strip this back. If you put this on, it's a little bit too long. But not really, right? So then we take our tool, and if you want, you can flip it over and do it from the bottom, so it's not as visible, but you know, it really doesn't matter. I'm going to put it on this side to match the rest of them. Now a nut splitter will work, or anything, something else like that that will smash that down without coming too loose. I want this over, and then I cleaned this up because we can still reuse this now. So we're going to put this on. So now we have good clean connections. No more of that jumbled mess where this thing was the only thing holding it on. I mean, if you're going to use it, at least put it on upside down. But then your wires are still going to pull out of there. There's not enough constant pressure on them. So this will work for you a lot better. And then don't forget to run some grounds from the battery to the body. So in this case, the original one had rusted out, so I ran 2 of them. This is 10 gauge wire, and I ran it to both sides of this. So we got battery ground to body, we got battery ground to motor, we got power from battery to from alternator and to starter. And then when we need to put jumper cables on, we can put it over here and we don't have to worry about corroding up our wires or sticking through or anything like that. It'll work out better in the long run. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. These wires are chewed. Shit. More shit for me to fix. God damn it. What the? I don't know where they go, but we'll figure it out. Rats. Some mice. Okay, but anyway.